Okay, so we're near the vents. So let's go into the vents. Something tells me we're gonna meet special someone in here. Alright. E. Okay.
Well done. You are near the Fizzy Fast syrup vat. You should be able to find your way to the main kitchen from here.
I still hear Music Man blobbering around in the vents. What do we got here? Oh, Fizzy Fast Freddy! Okay, I'm gonna go save. Is that a glitch? Because I still hear Music Man. Yeah, no, I'm good. Nowhere.
This area is off limits. Apparently, security staff can help.
Okay. Fair.
Staff only.
Mind danger. Okay, whoa. What's our mission? Enter the vent near Salvin's. I did that. Okay. Okay. What?
Freddy, are you there? I'm trapped.
Uh-oh.
Chica found me. There's only one security door.
How unfortunate. But
Oh,
I
we can't
have
even
good
save.
news. It looks like you can access the Fazbear Online Pizza delivery system through that console.
What? How is that supposed to help?
Pizza.
Chica loves pizza.
Exactly. Pizza's always great.
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Mega Pizzaplex Quick Delivery Virtual Ordering System. Congratulations, you have qualified for a free Supreme upgrade. Additional charges may apply. Let's get started. You are now in control of one of our highly qualified
sauce.
pizza-making staff bots.
Okay.
Follow the instructions on the left side of your screen to force the bot to make your
Sauce.
perfect mouth-watering pizza.
Yum, delicious dough. This dough needs some sauce.
How would you rate your experience so far?
It is now
10 out of 10.
grilled and cheese.
Now, let's
Yum.
get started.
Okay, this is cheese.
Would you like to take a short survey about your experience?
I'm good.
Let me
No.
Let's get some delicious meat.
Okay, meat. Delicious. Don't. Huh? Pause? Okay. We're gonna add some meat. We love meat.
Now it is time for the not meat stuff.
The not meat stuff.
My friendly
What is not
security staff can help. Come out wherever
That is not
Time to bake. An oven would be ideal.
It would be ideal.
Don't worry, you're safe with me.
Baked up pizza.
Delicious. To ensure a safe and timely delivery, our cutting-edge pizza tracker allows you to deliver the pizza to your own home or residence. Additional mileage charges may apply.
Okay.
Your pizza has been
You like your
delivered.
pizza?
How would you rate your service? Pick
Pizza
two that
party.
apply.
Make pizza. Okay. Wait, what's our mission? Locate the loading dock controls.
I found the loading dock, but there's nothing here. There are some big garage doors, but I don't see a way to get out.
Do you see a set of controls?
I think so. There's a funny locked box with a badge on it.
Those are the loading dock controls. Something is not right. Someone must have changed the permissions. You are going to need a much higher security level to get out that way. Come back to me right away.
Uh-oh. Chief is here. 3 security guards. Oh. Just walking into the abyss. Okay. I might be.
Employees only. Your family is looking for you. Staff only. My friendly security staff can help. This area is off limits.
Oh, got a star shirt. She better not come through that door.
Where are
There's a save over there. This one looks like Chica. Old poster. The lore! There's so much lore. Exits. Okay. The door. Just gonna grab this. I can't die. I have to save that.
Take a map.
No.
Take a map.
No.
Take a
No.
map.
Out of my way. Gotcha.
White woman jump scare. Best part of this game is the white woman jump scare.
Where am I? Look at all this stuff. Freddy? Freddy, are you there? I'm trapped.
I'll bet you think you're real clever, Gregory. Yeah, I know your name. You're in big trouble. This is not the night to be wasting my time. So, you are going to wait right there in Lost and Found until your parents or the police arrive.
Okay. Vanny.
Are you having fun yet?
See? They're the same person. They have to be. The driver. Ooh. Yep. Yep, there she is.
Are you having fun yet?
Wait, I want to see Vanny. Where is she? There she is. There's Vanny. Skipping along. Alright.
Gregory.
Freddy, help! The rabbit ladies found me.
If you get this message, come to the Roxy Raceway entrance, second floor. I piled up some boxes so you can hop over the construction fence and find me. Someone is jamming my communication signal. Come to the Roxy Raceway.
I can hear you. I'm on my way.
Alright. Okay, I need a save. Okay, so we're supposed to go to Roxy Raceway. We're supposed to go over here.
Are you having fun yet?
Is Vanny down there? I need the save, and then I'll be good. Once we get the save, I'll end this episode. Okay, that's gonna do it for today. I guess we'll end the episode with a jump scare. Because why not? Know what I mean?
You think you're better than me?
Yes, it's Roxanne. Let's go. Good day.